Hi, this is David from Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, back with another simple repair. How to swap out the batteries and the card scanner of your Dell Latitude 7202 rugged tablet. First thing you want to do is flip the tablet over. There are two tabs on the outside of the battery covers. Push them in, then forward, popping out the hot swappable battery, and then remove it. Underneath is a slot to remove or replace the SD card if you need to. And behind the card scanner is a smart card. You can replace that as well if you need to. Now there are 4 twist screws holding the scanner in. Just remove them. And this is just an example, so I'll put that right back. And the same thing with the batteries. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments you can leave below. And don't forget to hit the bell for our latest videos.